Today, we're here at the Lexus Manila showroom, and it is a very special day for all of us because Lexus Philippines is introducing its very first fully electric vehicle, and it is called the RZ450. First and foremost, the RZ450E is a Lexus, and it promises everything from the craftsmanship and the technologies that Lexus was able to bring in all together with our experiences in terms of electrification. We first introduced the hybrid technology through the RX, and over the years, we were able to gather all of that experience, that different kinds of technology that we were able to further refine in the RZ450E, which is our first fully electric battery vehicle. So in its introduction, we will only be having a one variant, and that is priced at 4,828,000, exclusive only, of course, from Lexus Philippines. And we are very excited since through our introduction of all of our electric vehicles, we've been introducing the hybrid vehicles from our entire lineup, and the Lexus RZ450E will be available already starting this May. The RZ450E is available in 9 exciting exterior colors. The one we have here is this graphite black glass flake. And in the launch vehicle, it's a very exciting new color. It's called the Ether, which kind of reminds you of like a sky blue, but of course done the Lexus way. And also here, available in the showroom, is the Sonic Chrome in black. This is all available, 9 exterior colors with 3 interior colors, and all of them have 20-inch wheels. So we would like to invite all of our Lexus guests, customers, and of course anybody who would be a fan of our move towards electrification, towards a more sustainable and carbon neutral future. We'll be here at Lexus Manila, here located at the Bonifacio Global City.